Go ahead and shut it off. I wanted to bring Robert. This is my neck of the woods. This is where I've been riding on the Honda and all the photography that I have. And Robert's never been here before. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, is everything locked?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I did, but let me make sure I did. We're in Cuba, Mesa. Okay, ready? This is the first time Robert's been out to my neck of the woods. So I'm going to show him around first. Show him where all my treasure rocks are that I've been photographing all this time. This is the first time Junior's been out here. I've always been on Bullseye, the Honda. They're campers. Looked like there were some campers in there, but at the end of that road is looks like it's not a dugout tunnel, it's just a natural enclave, kind of like the one we just showed you, but somebody built a frontage on it, board, like creating a room. It has a door and a lock on it, but you can look through there and there's nothing in there. It's not a tunnel or a cave. It doesn't go anywhere. Seen 2 campers out here today, which is not too bad for a Sunday. Not sure what all these surveyor markers are here for. Maybe a 4-wheeler fell into it. Looks like there's been a lot of people out here this week. Doesn't show any sign of rain, but there's a lot of vehicle tire marks out here. As long as they've all gone home from the weekend, that's all that matters to me. Doesn't look like anybody's been down here. Looks like there's an ATV that's been down here, but mostly foot traffic. Go ahead and shut it off. I wanted to bring Robert. This is my neck of the woods. This is where I've been riding on the Honda and all the photography that I have. And Robert's never been here before. So what I did was I just brought him from our parking spot down the arroyo and then up a shortcut. We are now on the other side of the arroyo. And these roads that finger off of here, finger off onto these ridges. And there's a whole bunch of these ridges that go out like that. And you know, I've been on all of them, and there's some really neat places out there. But today what I just want to do is introduce you to the terrain, where we're at, what we're looking at. This is, I've never had the Polaris out here. I've been riding this with the Honda.
Oh, I see.
And but this road here goes back, it works its way out. It's probably about 4 miles in distance, but it's about 7 or 8 miles in road.
Oh, wow.
And in some places it's pretty hard to ride, but it's rideable. I wouldn't have gone up there if I wasn't comfortable with it. You know how I ride.
Yeah. What about this road here?
This road we're going to take, this is going to take us back. Remember where we where the road turned and we made that that arroyo that's there? We're now on the other side of the arroyo. We're going to come out this way.
Okay.
But I just wanted to let our viewers know that this is the first time you've been in this area.
Yep.
This is where I've been working and learning how to ride and doing my art photography. And now this is Robert's first time in, so I hope he enjoys it like I do. I love this area. You can go on any of these cliffs that you see out here. It's just miles and miles and miles of road. But today's just an introductory, and that's what we're going to do.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
I keep losing my microphone. I hope I'm not creating a problem here with these videos. Maybe what I need to do is tie it around my neck.